Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford Fusion this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the relay for the rear window defroster is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, if you have a Ford Fusion that generation here from year 2013 to 20, you have multiple fuse boxes and some of them are extremely hidden. We will recommend to check the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location, so you know where they're located. Go ahead and open the hood. Here under the hood, on the driver's side, you see that cover that looks like a T. Open it. Underneath you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So you guys have multiple relays, you can see here. The only information we couldn't find is about that relay. Nobody knows about that one. Even service manuals, it says it's not used, but it's here. So we recommend to check it. However, the rear window defroster, most likely it's not controlled by a relay, but you have a relay fuse, which means that the body control module is the function of the relay, but you have a main fuse, and it's nowhere here. Actually, on the bottom of that fuse box, there is a couple notches that when you release, you can flip it, and on the bottom side of it, you have more hidden fuses. And here, for the rear window defroster, we need to check fuse number 68. We're talking about that 40 amp fuse here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.